Well, we're having a pretty darn good day here at Save Club. People joining up every day, sometimes hundreds, sometimes hitting a couple thousand. And what I find out is we need more affiliates. We need people, well, possibly you. Have you joined up for Save Club yet? You can join to save money on things you're already buying or going to buy in the future. Or do you have three $20 bills? Do you have 60 bucks? Do you have to break that piggy bank open? That little oinker? Pull little $20 bills out its little bum. All right, if you have 60 bucks, I recommend just become an affiliate. I did about 30 some odd days ago, and Save Club kicked off. We just hit day 10. All right, so if you're watching this video in my future, June 1st of 2025 is when the company said ready, set, go. Now, those 30 days prior were mostly for people like myself that want to be an affiliate, where we want to build a team, build a cool tribe, people that want to hang out and just spread the word about Save Club and then make commissions. Now, we don't have to buy products. There's no real product to buy except a digital product. So for $19.97, you have access to a club. Just like Netflix, you pay a couple bucks, you can watch cool movies. And what, a golf course? I think Amazon's pretty darn popular. And they're, what is it, Amazon Prime, get free shipping and some other cool stuff. Here in America, even Costco. You pay about 60 bucks to 120 bucks a year, depending if you're an individual or a business, and you go inside Costco and shop like crazy. But with Save Club, for that $19.97, you can relax at home or on your phone, laptop, home computer, like I'm doing right now, and just go into the My Deals tab and look around planet Earth. Now, granted, we are only 10 days old, so most of our deals are in America, and then we have massive companies that are like Fortune 50, Fortune 100, Fortune 500 companies. So you're going to have Progressive Insurance and Wendy's and Burger King and Sirius XM, billion-dollar companies. But every day, not a day goes by that someone doesn't get a hold of me from a smaller country. Let's just say Fiji. I had a good buddy yesterday from Portugal. When are local deals going to be available, or at least massive deals in my country? It's a time thing because we're only 10 days old. So what Save Club did not do is get like 1 million deals in the back burner and then boom, ready, set, go, June 1st of 2025, say, okay, now we have 1 million deals worldwide. Everybody join. Okay, the first 30 days was getting our feet wet, getting the infrastructure, the website, the contracts in place. But I'll tell you what, within 1 week, we already had tens of thousands of deals from some of the biggest companies in the world. We are already beating Orbitz, Priceline. Yes, Walmart is in back office of Save Club, but when you type in that item in the back office, if it pops up for sale online and at Walmart, it will show you. And if you can save money by buying from the other company versus Walmart, then buy it. Or if Walmart already has a kick-ass deal and they're offering, let's say, 10% off, 20 bucks off, 2 for 1. Deals can be different at any given time. Then buy through Save Club, whichever deal is best, especially if it's the same item. Same warranty, like a coffee pot, for example. I love coffee. I'm drinking it right now. And I have a little coffee pot off camera off to the right by my Gene Simmons A Kiss cereal that you can see right there. You can see a little kiss guy. But it's up to you. Do you want to just join for $19.97 just to save money? Why not? But we need affiliates. We're signing up hundreds and thousands and eventually 100,000. And then that's going to multiply, obviously, into 1 million, 2 million, 3 million people as months and months and years goes by. And of course, every week we're going to be opening up new deals, local and international. Yes, above me in Canada, right below in Mexico, because I'm in Salt Lake City, Utah, right in the beautiful mountains, right below Park City. And I love it here. But if I want to go to Florida, of course I'm going to see if there's deals on a flight if I'm going to fly. If I want to go to Fiji, work on my tan, I'm definitely going to look and see if I can get one of those cool rooms that elevates above that blue water. And then if I want Sirius XM, which I do have, it's cranking. I have speakers right above my head here. Yeah, why not save on SiriusXM if you enjoy sports? Oh my God, tons of music. There's so much available. I think there's like 500 channels just on SiriusXM. But if you're going to drive down the road and accidentally get let's just say a Subway sandwich, Popeye's chicken, it's all there. You're going to Home Depot to get some wood to build your patio. Home Depot and Lowe's, they're both similar stores. They're in the back office of Save Club. But like I said, if you're just going to be a member and save money, that's awesome. But I haven't an inkling. Do you ever get one of those inklings where something in the back of your head says, anyone that probably is going to do that $19.97 a month, probably going to, I don't know if I'd call it upgrade, but for that extra $60, you're going to get a full-blown website. And if you just tell some friends, invite people to watch a little video that's already produced, and I'll show you what I do. Why not? Because if you can start saving, let's say $100 a month just on the savings portion, pretty cool. I know I'm going to. I have today's day 40 actually. I can't say 39. Today's my 40th day. And this still tickles me pink because I had to buy tires for several of my vehicles, a purple mattress, which is super expensive. I saved $300 on that dang thing, and various food items. I'm well over $920. I'll reach $1,000 in savings probably by day 45 or 50 because I do have to go to Walmart. I am going to Home Depot. I just did something to one of my Chevy trucks, and boy, do I need to go to Home Depot and buy some bolts and parts because I did a big fudge, which is a big mess up yesterday. So I'm going to be hauling ass to Home Depot probably this afternoon. So hopefully I can save $5 or $10 there on what I need to buy. But saved over $920 some odd dollars just as a member. And then I've made about $1,000 cash per week. That's what I'm averaging right now. I'm on my day 40. So boy, when I go ahead and just divide 40 by 7, I'm really happy with the results. To make $1,000 or so a week average, that's cash in my pocket. And then I have a new funnel system, which is amazing. I mean, that's where I can go ahead and spend $25 and have people just use this funnel system, and they can see if it'll get more signups. Because when you join Just Save Club, you're going to get a 6-minute video that's hosted on YouTube, but it's hosted by our CEO. His name is Charles Moy. 6-minute video, and it's awesome. I've signed up a lot of people, and I've signed up 100 people already. But the new funnel system for $25, it's a 20-minute video versus a 6-minute video. And man, it is pretty darn good. It's $25. It also has an affiliate side to it. So I've made over $900 with my funnel, aside from Save Club, saving me $900. And my gosh, I've been earning darn near $1,000 cash per week. And that is my first 40 days. And I couldn't be more excited. It's the real deal. And this is all based on I did spend that $60. And I do have $19.97. And holy crap, am I going to quit just the membership side? No way. It's almost fun. Just like anything in the beginning, when you get a pool table, you pool out, right? And if you get like a hot tub, you go hot tubbing every night. I love trying to save, and I'm not going out of my way to try to save something just so I can sit here and do a video about it. But my gosh, if I'm going to a restaurant, I just type it in. Like I went to Sizzler the other day with my best pals, and at the location I was at, there was not a savings, but there was like a mile or two down the street at another Sizzler. And I could have just looked at the deal and called my 3 friends that I met for dinner and said, hey, if we want to go a couple miles down the street, we can save money. And you know what? It was just too late. By the time I got to the parking lot of Sizzler, all of us were parking. I went, typed it up, and it was too late. But that's okay. But when I go to Walmart, oh yeah, I get it right up going. I go to Walmart at least once a week. It's one of my favorite places to go. And then, of course, when I got to go to Home Depot and buy some parts for my Tahoe roof rack that I just messed up, I'm going to just get it, look, go, hey, right on, I can save $5. Why not? Maybe it's 10% off or 2 for 1, or everything's different between food, restaurant, travel, SiriusXM, traveler's insurance. Do you need car insurance, health insurance? And guess what? Pretty soon, according to our CEO, we have live meetings every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. He said gasoline, and diesel because I have diesel trucks, Hummers, and I have a bunch of things that take gasoline. And boy, I'll tell you what, I'm going to freak out because I love saving money on gasoline and diesel, because my favorite thing to do, besides buying Hot Wheels and Legos and all that, is just driving in these beautiful mountains where I live. I go up to the ski resorts. I have my sunroof open. I have a nice cold drink, cranking tunes. Get on one of my motorcycles. I just love riding through the mountains and going into Park City and then going over to Brighton Ski Resort, come down into Salt Lake City. But it all takes, either diesel in my Hummers and my trucks, or, gosh almighty, even a lawnmower. Who doesn't want to mow their lawn, boy? Ain't that fun? Just don't do it barefooted. And if you need a lawnmower, Lowe's, Home Depot, and Walmart, those three alone, they do have they have lawnmowers. So maybe you can save if you need one of those darn things. But anyway, guys, real happy. This is kind of like a 10, 11 minute review, I guess you'd call it. But on my YouTube channel, which is posted below, I think I have 300 and something videos already. And I just uploaded 3 really good presentations. That's Q&A. And Pete, who is kind of the partner with our CEO, Charles, they go ahead and do a nice 45-minute presentation, or maybe it might be an hour. Call it a webinar. But they're great to watch because you can see what the future of the company is. So please check it out, okay? Now, let me show you both of my links. And thank you for hanging out with me the last 11 minutes. Here you go, guys. That's the official way to join Save Club. joinsaveclub.org. Just go there. You're going to see this page. Watch this 6-minute video. It's pretty cool. You can meet Charles, our CEO, and then fill this information out right below me here. And hit that orange button, and you're going to get an email from Save Club where you can either join if you want, or you'll get more information. 1 email a day, and you can unsubscribe if you'd like. Okay, let me show you both my links again. Now you can see, if you'd like to join Save Club, awesome. But if you want to see what the funnel looks like for $25, it is a video that's in front of joining Save Club. And that 20-minute video seems to work. People like to see more details just about Save Club, but you don't need to do the funnel. You don't have to join my team. If you've already joined Save Club, don't worry about it. But if you go to saveclubfunnels.com with an S, guess what? You're going to be joining a team if you'd like. 2 different teams. Very powerful teams. As a matter of fact, between both of our private invite-only invites, into our I guess our group, we dominate the leaderboard. Right now, I think I'm at number 7. Just to show you, this is live. Okay, there's leaderboard. Let's see how many I got. I think 100. Yeah, there I am. See, number 7 in the world. And look at that. I got 100 people signed up, and I have no doubt I'll probably be in the top 5 here pretty soon. So if I keep things fun and just every day make content like a video or uploading pictures, and guess what? When you go to saveclubfunnels.com, I have free video, free pictures. Everything's ready to go that promotes Save Club, but you just put your link. Whatever link you have when you join, you're going to get it. Don't worry. It's easy. Just make sure you post the link. So when people click it, you get the sale. You make the commission. And with Save Club Funnels, the company pays you $20 for each person that signs up. And guess what? The funnel's only $25. And the company pays me $20. And right now I can't believe how many people I have. I have over $1,000 of extra income coming in from just the funnel. And that's recurring each month. Next month, I have no doubt I'm going to sign up another 40, 50 people in the funnel. So by next month, and you can do the same as me, I'll probably have a couple $1,000 coming in just from the funnel. Paid. That's cash. And it's awesome, and the funnel's awesome. So please click saveclubfunnels.com. I want you to fill out this white rectangle just with your email address. Hit the yellow button, and here's that video I was telling you about. It's a 20-minute video that just explains Save Club a little better. So you don't have to. You can hang out and do other stuff, and then you learn at your own pace if you want to do video. But like I said, we have 2 invite-only groups. I want you to join a team. I don't want you to be by yourself. You're going to get frustrated and you might quit. I don't want you to do that. I want you to kick some butt, okay? So come aboard. We'll help you out. We're not going to leave you hanging. And if you don't mind, let me just put these darn little business cards I made at Vistaprint up on your screen. So if you want to join saveclub.org, go there right now. And if you want to check out the funnel, there it is, saveclubfunnels.com. All right, that's it, guys. Thanks. I'm at the 15-minute mark. I think mission accomplished. I got everything done. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you need me, Cory at CoryDraper.com. Even if you're not in my group, don't worry about it, guys. Email me. I learn a lot by your questions. And if it's about usually marketing, like I said, that funnel system, joining a team, we have fresh, brand new pictures, animated graphics, and brand new videos. And they usually debut every Monday in a folder. So you can just download them on your home computer, your cell phone, and use them on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube. I know that that's your number one kind of hang up is making or creating content. So you get good at just going to YouTube, how to upload TikTok, how to upload Facebook, how to upload Instagram, Threads, what is it, Twitter, X, whatever it's called this week, right? Just get good at learning how to upload something. And don't worry, even if it sucks, big deal. By the time you upload 5 or 10 things, you're going to get good no matter what. So let's just say you love Instagram. Get good at it, and then let's try TikTok. And then after that, try the old Facebook. That's my favorite. I love Facebook. Okay? And obviously, I love the yellow color. I just realized, holy crap, this shirt looks like it's about ready to catch on fire. All right, guys, thanks again, and we'll talk to you next video. All right, thanks for your time. Talk to you soon. Okay, bye.